Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Roman and in this video I'm going to show you how you can build your own Payra dashboard Notion template. And if you want to save time and get the complete solution right now, I'll leave the link to my Payra dashboard in the comments. So let's get started. As you probably already know, Payra is a method for organizing your digital workspace, and it stands for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archive. So to make the dashboard, we need a way to track our projects, areas, and resources. So let's get started. Let's create a new page called Databases. To separate our databases from the main template, and inside this page we will keep all our databases. So we need a database for project, for areas, and for resources. Let's start first with the areas. New area subpage. We go inside and we can make a table view. Let's call it areas. Full width. And inside this table for the areas we will have name. Let's delete this tags property, and that would be it for now. We'll come back later to this table. Next, let's make a projects table. Table view projects and make it full width. Let's delete these entries. Let's delete the tags. Delete property. So for the projects, we need name, we need start date, type date. Let's add end date, type date, and we can add, let's say, status of the project, not started, in progress, and done. And we can also add some categories. Category type select, and it can be like business, personal, I don't know, fitness. And we can also connect our project to our areas. So let's select, let's create new property called area of type relation, and we connect it to areas database that we've just created. We want to show the project and areas, and we want to limit this to one page only. So we have our projects database, and we can now create resources. Table view, new table, resources. Let's make it full width and delete tags and delete these entries. So for resources, we need name, let's say resource type select, and options can be like, let's say book, article, video, whatever. Then we need like URL to the resource, and we can connect the resource either to the project or to the area. We can actually connect it to the project. It's type relation, and we connect it to the project. Let's say we limit it to one page, and we show it on projects, add relation, and we can then derive our area for this resource from the project. So it would be formula, and formula would be project dot area. What project dot project.map current.area, so like that. So we have our resources table, we have our projects table, and we have our areas table. We can now create templates for the projects and for the areas. So when you click on the project, you would see, let's say, connected resources to this project in a nicer view. So let's make a new template, new project. Let's add some icon here. Let's say folder, area, category, end date, start date, resources, status, default status not started. It's alright. And let's say header, heading 3, resources. And here we can make a table view of resources, new table view, hide database title, done, and we filter it by project, and we set new project as a filter. And let's make this template as default. And we can do similar thing for areas if you want a nicer way of visualizing like area when you press on it. So for example, new template, like new area, some icon like circle, for example. And here we can do like heading 3 projects and table view of our projects, new table view, hide database title, done, and we want to filter by area and set it to this current page. So done, and set this template as default. Now we can make views for all these tables in our on our main page. So we go here, let's set this to full bits, and we can split the screen in 4 sections. So let's make 2 columns. Let's say here heading 3. Here we would have our projects, areas, heading 3, areas, and here we can also have our resources. So let's make here, for example, table view. It can be gallery view, or we can have gallery view for the areas. So for the projects, let's make a table view, and it would be our projects, new table view, height, database name. That's all right. For areas, let's make a gallery view, areas, layout, let's change it to gallery. And for resources, we can also make like a gallery view or a list view. It's up to your preferences. Resources. new gallery view, and hide database title. Let's make buttons to easily add new projects, areas, and resources. So let's make a button, new project, icon, plus icon, add action, add page to projects. Let's say name untitled. If you want to edit another property, we can set, for example, start date to today, for example. And we can open this page in center peak or side peak. It's up to your preference. I prefer to keep it in the center peak. So done. Oh, open new page in center peak. Done. Areas, we can do the same. So button, new area, plus icon, and we add page to areas, table, and we can open page, open new page added in center peak. And let's do the same for resources. So button, new resource, plus icon, add action, add page to resources, and open page in center peak. Done. So how this would work is, for example, we create new area, let's say business. For now, we don't have any projects connected to this area, so we can let's a bit fine-tune this, so we don't need to show this card here. So we go here, layout, card preview, none. So we only have business, like name of the area here, and we can create new project. Let's say heat, 10,000 monthly recurrent revenue. We connect it to the business category. We actually don't really need category here because it most likely will match with the area, but you can delete if you want. The end date by end of this year, and resources. Well, we don't have any resources right now, and we have start date as today, and status, let's say, in progress. So now if you click on these areas, you have these projects here, and you can add a resource, let's say marketing basics, some area. Let's first select project. It derives area from the project. Type, let's say, some video, and URL youtube.com. So this is the basic Payra dashboard. So you can enhance it further by adding, for example, task manager. So you can make a new table called tasks. Let's go here, full width, table view, new table, tasks, and we hide database title. Let's delete these entries, and we can, yes, also let's delete these tags. So we have like task name, we have, let's say, deadline of type date, let's say priority, low, medium, and high. Can change the colors, yellow for medium, green for low, and red for high. It's actually already red. So we have task name, deadline, priority. We can also connect the task to the project. So it's a relation. We connect it to projects, shown projects if we want to. And limit, let's say one page only, add relation. And we can also add status. So not started, in progress, and done. We can fix a bit the template for projects if we have tasks now. So we edit this template and we add like here heading 3 tasks, and let's say it's a table tasks, new table view, hide database title, done. We actually don't need to show project in any of these cases because we already know it. So we can like edit view, properties, and hide project. And let's do same here. Edit view, properties, hide project, because we already know the project from here. Let's delete this entry for now. So we go to the main view, and here on top we can add our task, heading 3 tasks, and we can add our tasks table here, tasks, new table view, hide database title. I guess that's it actually. And we can add the button to add new tasks. So new task, add action, add page to tasks, database, deadline, priority, project, status. We can set status, let's say not started by default, and we open page in Centerpick. Done. So if we create our new project, hit 1,000 monthly recurrent revenue, connected to business area, end date end of December, resources, we have our marketing basics, start date, let's say today, and status in progress. And now we can new task, I don't know, create new template, deadline, let's say 22nd, priority high, project, this project, status in progress. And if you now open this project, you see here tasks. You can further enhance this template by adding, for example, time blocking, calendar, resource categories to categorize your resources. For tasks, yeah, we can add like calendar view for the tasks, calendar view. We don't want to show database title, and show calendar by deadline. Yes. So here we have our task. We can show more properties. Let's say priority, project, status, like that. So yeah, this is the basic Payra dashboard Notion template for organizing your digital workspace. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you like the video. And if you want to get the complete solution, Payra dashboard with time blocking, resource categories, areas, better task manager, and projects, check out my Para dashboard Notion template. I will leave the link in the comments. And thank you for watching this tutorial.